Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the damage so you know what to fix first. Look for white fraying, paper separation, or chips along the foil and edges. This tells you whether to fill, realign, or glue. Once done, clear a flat workspace and organize tools within reach. Make sure to wash hands or use gloves so oils don't transfer. You'll begin with the least invasive action. Gently clean and remove loose fibers with a soft eraser and a toothpick before moving to adhesive steps. Now you perform the detailed repair, realigning and bonding the layers. Apply a very thin line of pH-neutral glue with a toothpick to the separation, not the card face, to avoid bleed. This seals layers and prevents further peeling. After gluing, press the edge flat with a bone folder or a clean ruler to smooth fibers and ensure contact. If small chips exist, insert a tiny paper filler or archival tape beneath the edge, trimmed flush. Make sure to wipe any excess glue quickly to keep surfaces clean. To finish, protect the face with wax or parchment paper and place the card in a weighted press. Books work fine for 12 to 24 hours so glue cures evenly and edges bond. Once cured, you may lightly buff minor roughness with a soft eraser, moving in one direction to avoid lifting fibers. If you see glue seepage, stop. Blot excess with a barely damp cotton swab and repress the area immediately, then let it dry. If separation returns, repeat targeted gluing and pressing until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.